Hello friends, first, we will choose the front plane and sketch command, and then we will choose the center rectangle, and place it on the origin point. Then we will go to the smart dimensions, and the height will be 9 mm. And the length will be 75 mm. Then we will choose circle command and draw 2 circles. One of 30 millimeters. And the other will be of 46 millimeters. And the distance from the center of the circle to rectangle will be 40 millimeters. And we'll split the circle with the help of line command. And trim the upper part of the circle. And we'll draw a vertical center line from the origin point and a parallel line to the center line to connect circle and rectangle. Now we will use mirror command and make the lines symmetric. The center line and arc distance will be 4.5 millimeters. Then we will select the trim command and remove unnecessary lines. Now we will go to the features and choose the Extruded Base Boss command. We will change the condition to mid-plane, and the distance will be 52 millimeters. Now click OK. Now we will choose the rib command on the front plane and sketch a line that connects the top and the base. Distance will be 8 millimeters. Now click OK. Now again, we will choose the mirror command, mirror plane. We will select the right plane. And face the mirror will be rib. Now click OK. Your design is ready. Now we will add some material here. We are choosing polished steel. Next, we will do the rendering part. For that we will go to the SolidWorks add-in and choose the Photo 360. And in the Render tab, we will choose Preview window and the render will start. And your render is done.